All right, I've lost track of what day it is, but it's I think about the third day since the bus has been down. I gave it an extra day, actually, Wednesday. I actually was supposed to be home now, but I decided to give it an extra day because it sounded like they were making progress with the bus yesterday. And I had been told that if everything goes well, everything will be pieced together today. Well, it's not, so I'm still going to give it another few hours and wait and see if the parts that they're missing or the parts they need to install are going to arrive within that time and they get everything buttoned up. And if it looks like they'll get everything buttoned up in about 4 or 5 hours, I'll drive her back. And as I was checking out of the hotel just a few minutes ago, dispatch center called to verify my situation, although I emailed everything just a few minutes before that. And I found out what the tempo is back home. There's not really, things are kind of starting to slow down from what I heard, so I guess there might not be any trips when I get back or whatever the case is. And they told me that they needed the equipment back, which is obvious. So I gave them a rundown of what was going on. And the plan at this point is to wait and see if they can get everything buttoned up. If they can't, I'm going to call back down to my shop and see if they can arrange a rental car for me and drive home. The nearest rental car provider closes up at 6 o'clock local time, and it's about just a little bit after noon time right now. So what I'm doing is walking the 1.5 miles or whatever it is over to the service center. I'll be sitting in the waiting room again, charging my phone up, doing my social networking thing, you know, trying to make productive use of my time. Otherwise, I'll be watching some mindless entertainment on their television. And once that's done, or once I learn more, I'll figure out what move is going to be made. Either I'm driving a bus home, or I'll be in a rental car. And I won't be rushing because it's an 11-hour drive. And I'll be stopping and resting and taking pictures and probably taking a nap or something, getting something to eat, because I need to kind of pace myself so I can get home at a decent time that my wife can come pick me up. I don't want to get in at old dark 30 and have to wake her up just so she can come to get me. So 11 hours is 11 hours. Ain't no way to change it. Ain't no need in rushing. Hey, look what's across the street. A J4500 with some snow dirt on it. Looks like they're doing a snowbird too. I can't tell if it's from my same company or not. It's not really that likely, but I can't entirely rule it out. I can't tell from here. I definitely ain't walking over there preoccupied. Well, my phone was saying it was 37 degrees outside, but I'm not feeling it. It's actually kind of nice. It's tolerable. All right. Well, from Colorado Springs, going to the Kenworth shop. It's me, checking in. Walking down the street, probably about to have me some Carl's Jr. pretty soon. Oh, I thought they were after me. Nothing but an ambulance. Ambulance. All right, see y'all later.